welcome to Tenby North. This is the beach I'm going to be looking at this evening. I do have a head torch. I'm out with the Deus one. I'm going to give it a try on the beach, see what it's like. A lot of people say that it's really crap signals, etc, etc, and a lot of chat, but we'll see how we go. That's my view for today, or this evening. I'm only going to be down here for a couple of hours. I'm not going to push it too much, but yeah, enjoy. See you at the first hole. The film was going to be slightly different today. The first target, this is the first target. It was a 50 on the display in the wet sand, and I got a 10 pence piece. So there you go. It's going to be slightly different. I don't have my strap for the camera, so it's all got to be handheld. So basically, as I dig it and I find it, I'll show you. But yeah, first coin, or first target even, with the Deus one, there's a 10 pence piece. Chuffed to bits. We've got a 50-51, which is just there. Let's have a look at the scoop, shall we? Right, it's out. So what we got? What have we got? A ring pull. Just a ring pull. Right. Put you in the ground. Hopefully that'll be alright. Just there. Got a 63. Out. It's out anyway. Is it going to be a bit of foil? It's just another ring pull. So we had a few bits of foil and a ring pull. A couple of ring pulls now. I've just got another coin. I've just taken the most of the crap off of it. Only a penny. That's another coin. That's the second coin. Here's the hole. I think I put something like a 76 if I remember rightly. Oh. I think it was a 76, but yeah, another coin. We've got a 70-71. I'll just put you in the ground. That's all I can do at the moment. We've got a 70-71. Is it going to be another coin? Probably not, no, my luck. Right. Right, it is out. Turn you that way. No. Bottle cap. The dreaded bottle cap. Just a bottle cap. Never mind. This is proving harder than I thought, because not having a harness for the camera is very difficult for me. So I do apologise, and we'll see how we go for any further holes. Enjoy. Alright, there's the hole. I've got a 58. That's down here. Don't know what that'll be. Looks like a 5 pence piece. Yeah, it looks like 5p a piece. Oh, there you go. I think the easiest thing for the videoing is to dig the hole and then just show you the find. It's not always the best way, but at least you can see that they are definitely off the beach. And there you go, 5p a piece. Right, we're on a 72. So let's see what it is. Probably going to be another ring pull. No, still there. So let's see what it's going to be. Don't know whether you can see that. No, it's a 20p a piece. 20p. Told you. I do apologise, but yeah, 20p a piece. Right, it's a very loud and proud 87, 88 I think it was. Just an 88. It's out. So let's see what it is. As I say, I do apologise about winging it with the camera today. And we've got a pound coin. We've got a pound. So an 87, 88 is a pound. Happy days. Right, now we've got a 73. So is it a 20p a piece? Possible 20p a piece at 73. Might be wrong. Yep, 20p a piece. I'm starting to learn the numbers on the Deus one. There you go, 20p a piece. Okay, try and stick you up there. We've got an 87 to 90. Another coin. That's a high number. This is a 20p a piece. 20p a piece. Maybe there's something else in there. No, that was a very high number. The last one was only 72, 73. To be fair, the light level's getting really low now. It looks like there was someone was sitting here. We've got this bloody great big vape. But also I can hear, I've heard something else over here as well, so yeah, I'll have that any day. It's a pound. I'm sure there was 2 or 3 signals here. I mean, the light level is so low. Oh, another pound. And another pound. I might have to have a little look around here just to see if there's any more, and the only thing that attracted me to here was a dummy on the ground. But yeah, the light level's so low, so I probably won't switch you on anymore. Thanks for joining me. As you can see, light level has dropped rapidly. I don't even know what the time is, to be fair, but it's got to be around about 7 o'clock. So I've been out for approximately an hour and a half. But yeah, thanks for joining me, and see you on the next one. Sorry it's been hit and miss with what's been videoed and how it's been videoed. It's not my normal, So please bear with me, don't give me slate me or anything like that, because you know, at the end of the day, I've just tried to do a beach video for you. It's just the fact that I had no straps for the camera because they're all locked away at the moment. So until I get another one, unfortunately this is how it's going to have to be. Alright, thank you very much, much appreciated, and see you on the next one.